Now, chairman of the PFJL, Chris Williams, says they must improve on the commercialization of the league if they are to attract sponsors to the nation's top-flight football competition. Williams was speaking after the first annual general meeting of the PFJL at the JFF headquarters.
Last season, the PFJL was boasting a number of sponsors as football returned in 2021 after an 18-month layoff due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But pulling the sponsors this time around wasn't as easy as they would have thought. Each team was supposed to have been assigned a sponsor, but while the harvest is plentiful, the buyers are few.
The challenge of this year, which you must understand, the season started in July, and this new season is starting in January. That's 6 months. So you would have had to go to a sponsor twice within one 12-month period, which is going to be difficult.
So with supply outweighing demand, it's now a case of improving the product and the commercial aspect of things.
What we're focusing on this year is ensuring that we drive viewership, because to the extent that the viewership of the league increases and the popularity of the league increases, then the commercial value will improve, and sponsors will want their logo on the front of the jersey because they know 1 million people watching the game.
As for venues, Drax Hall has long been touted, but that request hangs in the balance.
It's being reviewed now. We don't want to disclose our confidential discussions with the minister, but he has given us an opportunity to represent it. We have, and we are awaiting his decision. I can't comment on when he will make he may make a decision, or if he will make a decision.
So they'll continue at the UWI Captain Horace Burrell Center of Excellence, even with a bill of over $4 million owed to the Federation.
The financial situation of PFJL is a private matter. This a private company. The financials were presented to the board and to the members, and the board and the members are fine, and they have adjudicated, and we are moving forward.
As it relates to technology, Williams says the PFJL will be proposing to the JFF the use of the Video Assistant Referee, or VAR, for use during the playoff stages. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.